Maono, which means vision in Kiswahili, is a world's best-selling internet microphone brand whose products are sold well in 153 countries around the world.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. J Aguilar Vlogs naman. Welcome back sa panibagong video, unboxing, and review. So today we're gonna review Maono DGM20 Gaming USB Microphone with Noise Cancelling. So yan, i-unbox na natin muna to. Ito na! Okay, let's go! DGM20. Okay, let's go! Ayan, accessories muna tayo guys. So we need this para masaksak natin siya sa PC. So yan guys, USB A and C to USB C. User manual and a connector kung meron kayong boom arm. And the microphone itself. Wow, ganda oh. So dito muna tayo sa pinaka-highlight na specs ni DGM20. As you can see, it has controllable RGB lights wherein guys, you can switch from single color and RGB colors. So meron siyang red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, blue, at yung halo-halong RGB color. Ayan, pwede mo siyang mabago in just one press. So kung papatayin naman natin, i-press lang natin ng 2 seconds. So next feature is yung ENC noise cancellation feature. So in this feature, may experience natin ang flawless sound quality on this microphone dahil tatanggalin niya ang mga extra or background noises na maririnig sa ating microphone so that yung boses na lang natin yung maririnig sa ating recording. Hence the word noise cancellation. To show you how to activate noise cancellation feature, yan, you'll just have to press 2 seconds sa noise cancellation button or yung mute button. It should turn blue. Natry natin siya later. Next feature guys is yung real-time monitoring. So, meron siyang 3.5mm monitor headphone jack where you can monitor the recording. You can connect your headphones or your speaker to monitor the recording. Also, one of its feature is yung adjustable gain wherein ma-adjust natin yung lakas at hina ng ating recording. One button mute, just press 1 second to mute and unmute. Red for mute and green for unmute. Last but not the least, it includes shock mount and pop filter na rin. As you can see, nakamount na siya dito sa ating desktop stand. Meron siyang fastener para hindi siya mag-loose. And kung meron kayong boom arm, pwede nyo rin ikabit or i-mount. Kaya meron siyang connector na included sa box. So yun guys, let's test DGM20 microphone. Plug and play na siya guys. It means sasaksak nyo na lang sa computer nyo at pwede nyo nang gamitin without having to install a driver. Pwede nyo siyang isaksak sa Windows PC and pwede rin sa mga MacBook na Type-C na ang port dahil Type-C to Type-C din siya. So sa inyong PC, ito yung pangalan ng playback device natin. Headphones DGM20 USB microphone. So yun guys, let's start. So we're recording sa PC sa Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So yun guys, mag-start na tayo guys sa ating testing ng ating microphone. So gagamitin natin yung noise cancelling feature ni DGM20. Uunahin muna natin guys yung sound quality kapag naka-off ang noise cancelling. So ito yun guys, i-off muna natin. Ayan, dapat mag-green siya. So ito na yun guys, ito yung normal na walang noise or background noise. So walang electric fan na nakabukas, ito yun. Which is naririnig nyo guys, ingay ng fan, yung ugong sa PC ko. So kapag in-on na natin yung noise cancelling feature, so dapat mag-blue siya. Press nyo lang ng 2 seconds para mag-activate siya at ito na yung sound quality niya guys. Nakikita na ba natin ang difference or naririnig na natin ang difference? So nawala yung ingay ng fan ng PC ko. And ayun, bubuksan naman natin yung electric fan para mas lumakas yung ingay sa background. Balik ulit natin sa green which is naka-off yung noise cancelling and bubuksan ko yung electric fan saglit. Ayun, yun yung electric fan guys, as you can hear. Buksan ko na at ayan na, mayroon ng ingay sa background. Naka-off ang noise cancelling feature. As you can hear, yung ingay sa background is dominant. If we're going to turn on the noise cancelling feature, okay, turn on na natin. Press 2 seconds. When it turns blue, activated na yan. So ito na yung sound quality guys ng may noise cancelling feature na merong ingay sa background which is yung electric fan natin. So yon, sana nakita nyo yung difference at sobrang laki nga ng difference niya. So pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin at suitable siya guys sa Discord, OBS, XSplit, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and other internet applications. It also works on PlayStation 4 and 5 consoles. So, ang regular price niya sa Shopee is 1,899, pati sa Lazada. Since Lazmall and Shopee Mall siya, pero kung may maa-apply ka pang voucher is makakalis ka lalo. Kapag may mga sale, like 99, 10, 10, and ngayong October 15 din is may payday sale, which I am sure na makakalis ka lalo ngayong araw kapag bumili ka. So, yon, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box kung saan kayo makakabili netong Maono DGM20 gaming USB microphone with noise cancelling. So yun guys, yung mga available colors niya is itong ating is white, meron ding pink at black. So yun, overall nagustuhan ko talaga tong Maono DGM20. 10 out of 10, 5 stars. Noise cancelling feature talaga ang hanap ko sa mga or habol ko sa mga microphone. If you are a gamer, I really recommend this to you. Or kung live streamer ka, lalo na maingay yung surroundings, may mga nagvi-videoke, or loud ang environment mo, ay kayang remedyohan yan ng ating noise cancelling feature ng ating Maono DGM20. And syempre cool talaga tignan kapag may RGB feature ang ating microphone, 'di ba? So sobrang satisfied talaga ako dito, and mas mura pa to kaysa dun sa HyperX Quadcast RGB rin. Kaso yon 8K, and ito wala pang 2K, mabibili mo na. Ayun, I really recommend you guys this microphone. Talagang goods na goods sa budget at sa performance. Sobrang solid niya at hindi kayo magsisisi kapag bumili kayo na ito. Sobrang goods. Yon. Thank you for watching guys. Sana nakatulong tong review ng ating Maono DGM20 gaming USB microphone with noise cancelling. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next videos natin na katulad nito. Yun guys, sana nakatulong tong video na to. Bye bye, peace!